Hello, divas. I hope you guys are doing good. I just wanted to pop in and do this video real quick because we don't always have time to have a meeting, but I wanted to go through some of the things we're going to do for the conference with you guys so you are up to speed. I'm going to share my screen quickly with you and kind of take you through this document that I created called the promotional document for ambassadors. Those of you who were with us when we did our retreat last year, you knew that we have a list of posts that we did every month, and everybody did the post, and that really helped us get a lot of traction and a lot of people to actually register for the event. So we're going to do the same thing again this year. So the first thing I ask you to do is to think about 20 ODs that you know and you're going to personally invite to the retreat. The event is free. The event, not re-event, is free for all ambassadors, but you have to pay for your traveling and lodging expenses, right? Which is a very good value for you if you are an ambassador. This already covered the membership fee that you pay to be a member. And I'm going to send you a link where you can send the registration yourself when you get it. If you're bringing staff members, you'll be able to register for them as well, and I will send you that link as well for that too. This year, I'm going to seriously and avoid having people registered by check. So most of our registration is going to be done online, as the website is already ready to receive those registrations. Okay, we have 50 room reserved for 185. But I'm looking at this right now. That's the wrong amount. 185 per night. So make sure you reserve your room because I only reserved 50, and we're expecting 150 people for this event. So reserve your room as quick as you can so you can have a room to stay, right? The event is going to go from the 9th to the 12th, 9, 10, 11, 12. On the 9th, I will be doing the CEO leadership, business leadership academy. So I will show you the agenda in a minute, and that is not for everybody, it's only for those who want to come. I highly recommend that you sign up for this as leaders in your community. But that will be on Thursday night. Our lectures actually start on Friday morning. Okay, so make sure you reserve your room for the right time. So I have a series of posts in this document I'm going to be emailing to you that you can do for the month of February, and you can pick any day to do this in the month of February, which is why I didn't give you a specific date. I have two types of posts. So for those of you who know you are coming to the event, I have posts for you. And for those of you who are not sure or know that you are not coming, I also have posts that you can use to share and promote the event. When you promote the event online on social media, what that's going to do for you, not only is it going to promote Optometry Divas, but it's also going to associate your brand with Optometry Divas as well. So if you're not used to posting on social media, this is a great opportunity for you to do it because you're posting and hashtagging and connecting a name that other people are used to seeing in social media. So I put what the post should be on there for you, and I also put the link for the event on there for you to put on your post and all the hashtags you should use. I also provided the visual for each post. So this is the first visual right now. That one will change. I will be providing you a second one, but for now, this is the one that we have. So we have our March post as well. And the March post is basically saying, I'm excited. Have you registered yet? Early birds ends in April 30th. And my March post visual has disappeared. I'll put it in there before I send it to you. And we have our April post as well that we're going to do. This one's going to focus on the venue, talking about the beautiful pool area. They have the golf area they have in there. So the post content is on this document. I'm not going to read it, but I just wanted you to see for every month we have a post. And then in May, we have a real fun post that we're going to be doing. Last year we did help me pick the white dress for my event. This year is help me pick the costume. These are actually the two costumes I'm thinking about, seeing which one I'm going to wear. So it should be interesting to see which one I end up wearing. And then we have our June post as we get close to the countdown. We have June 8th, June 9th. So just so you can do posts to kind of build the momentum in there. So that's what that is. Right now, I have the social media handles for most everybody from last year. So if I don't have your social media handles for Instagram, LinkedIn, and Facebook, can you email me what those are? And I can add it there. That way we can tag you. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, create a LinkedIn account because we do a lot of Optometry Divas posts on LinkedIn. And then tag yourself as an associate of Optometry Divas. It will link you to our page as well. So these are the posts that you will have to do, and I'll be emailing this to you. I'll also be letting you know who's going to do what at the event. It's kind of early right now, so we're not going to talk about that, but I wanted you to see the posts that we have. I also wanted you to see what's happening with the conference as well. So I'm going to share with you um, in a minute here our what our event looks like, and then what our agenda looks like as well. So let me share my screen with you one more time so I can move real quick here and get you going. All right, so in the website, the event page is up for the retreat in there from June 9th to the 12th. And it basically has the picture. The picture will be updated again, but we'll be providing 12 CE courses, the CEO of You Leadership Academy, the staff training, the character theme dinner banquet, the financial freedom workshop for couples, and it is for the whole family. Here is where you can click to do your hotel reservation. If you click here, it will take you to a group link where you can reserve your room. If you click on this link here where it says click here, as you can see, it's hyperlinked. That's where you will see the agenda for the event. And then this event will also be live virtually. We're going to be using Zoom this year to make it a lot easier for us, but we're not focusing on promoting the virtual event, but mostly in person is the one we're focusing on. And this here you can click as well to see the speakers that are coming for this event. All of the speakers have been confirmed as of now. I just need to add the rest of them, their pictures on that link. So right now there's only 2 people. The CEO of You Business Academy, Business Leadership Academy is gonna be phenomenal. I promise you that. It's gonna be great if you own a practice. These are things I highly recommend that you get, because what it will do is help you move from the passenger seat of your practice to the driver's seat. And then it includes a happy hour and a dinner for all who participate. But there's only 20 seats available. It's a very small, intimate event, only for people who are interested in succeeding and reaching that level in their practice. So we're going to cover 5 categories. We're going to cover the CEO of You leadership principles, winning mindset for success, the basics of financial statement, the top KPIs for practice success, the mastermind brainstorming. I want you guys to know what these are in case people will be asking you as an ambassador, what are the courses, what's all covered. So I wanted you to know what they are. And then below is when people can get their ticket. The CEO of You Leadership Academy is $995. And basically it's 9 hours. It comes to about $100 an hour. And for the people who do it, this will help them set their practice up for $1 million. So it is worth 100 times the investment for those who are ready for that kind of stuff. The registration for members is going to be less than that. It's going to be $299, and I'm working with the developer. So hopefully, fingers crossed, by Sunday we'll be able to add everyone in there. So those who are already Elite Divas will be able to get that price just by logging in. So that's the plan for that, to reduce the price. And of course, you as ambassadors, you get it for free. And so this is where they can get it. We're only allowing 20 students to come and about 30 staff members to come to this event because we really want it to be for doctors. So I wanted to show you as well what the agenda is like. So I'm going to do new share just to make sure. Okay, I am sharing the agenda. It is sharing it. So this is the agenda starting from Thursday, right at 1 o'clock is when the course starts. We do register at 12 o'clock on Thursday for those who are coming to that course. And these are how it's broken down for the CEO of You Business Leadership Academy. And then also on Friday, June 10th, is when our courses begin. We have an ocular aesthetic and dry eye lecture track. And we are going to have these lectures given on Friday. And then we have our exhibit hour is going to be in between the two lectures because last year we ran into less time for the exhibitors. They were there so long, but the doctors were the lecture. So this year, I'm only opening the exhibit in time that we have break. So we have the one exhibit when we have break, and then we have lunch, which is another exhibit. And then this is our Saturday schedule. So you can go on the website and then click around and take a look and see what those are. We have Dr. Rosa Tang and Dr. Jade Schiffman and Dr. Emily Karem. They are all neuro ophthalmologists. They will be coming live in person this time to talk to us about these courses I'm very interested and excited about. Understanding sensory motor examination and diplopia, prism management, and interpreting visual fields. I don't know about you, but I'm looking forward to that visual field course from a neuro-ophthalmologist. And then our financial freedom workshop for couples is on Saturday afternoon. It's for 1 hour only. And then I'm going to put a ticket for that where people can buy it. I'm going to limit how many people can come. It's going to be in first come, first serve. Only those couples who are interested in growing together in their finances. And then we have our Sunday courses. So I wanted you guys to kind of get a view of all that on the website for this event so you're not lost and you have an idea where things are. If people ask you questions, you're not going like, I don't know. And this is the speakers page. Right now I have Janelle and Elise on there, but we'll be adding more. And then also too, we are going to have a myopia control boot camp. I can't say much about that yet. It's not going to be done by me, but I'm excited to do that. It's just one of the ways is we ambassadors, we Optometry Divas partner and connect, empower, and promote each other. Thank you guys. Let me know if you have any questions. And that's all I wanted to say to you. Bye.